Hello, everybody. Welcome to a brand new game called Tinyfolks, and I must say, already the soundtrack is an absolute banger. This came out at the beginning of the month. My name's Danotage, by the way, because there may be some people that might be checking this out yourselves for the first time, and this. I don't know if it's the first time you come to this channel and seeing me, but I like to check out these games that are gaining a little bit of traction as far as like just positive reviews. They look freaking phenomenal. They're very positive. They're at 98% positive reviews out of the 115 user reviews for the game. For those that don't know who I am, I've played games like Darkest Dungeon in the past. I've played Darkest Dungeon in the past, I should say. We played a lot of Darkest Dungeon, and this game is a heavy inspiration into it. And I'm actually incredibly excited to see what this game has to offer. I've seen a little bit from a friend of mine who showed it and pretty much showed me in a way. So I wanted to check it out. It's pretty new. It's a Darkest Dungeon. Like I said, it's heavily inspired, but from what I've seen, it's also pretty different. So let's take a look. It's called Tinyfolks. Check it out on Steam. It's like $4. It's a steal. Let's go check it out. All right, here we go. New game. Choose the name for your ruler. We're gonna have a queen. 45-day time limit. The intended Tinyfolks experience. Okay, sure. New queen. KT. Bam. It all began long ago. Our land was peaceful, but cosmic forces arrived. For 45 days, dark entities ravaged the land. A powerful artifact was discovered. A crown led to a queen. Evil forces vanished. The common folks rejoiced. But dark thoughts remained. That's terrifying. Hello, here we are. Your Majesty, quick, take shelter. We're being attacked. Cthulhu ate him. Well, only 2 tiny folks to defend such a powerful artifact. How cute. You will never obtain a thing from me, evil creature. In that case, I'll take the crown from your dead skull. Guards! Kill him! Well, guard, but yeah, sure. Alright, so now we have what apparently seems to be a very Darkest Dungeon-esque combat system. Turn-based RPG. James. Knife, shirt. Knife is small but sharp. Small and comfortable, or soft and comfortable shirt. Alright, cool. No artifact. Alright, so we got power. Can we not? Oh, we have to attack. Oh, is this the... I see. This is the tutorial. Got it. Evil Sorcerer creates a dark storm above 2 targets. Can I smite? Burn the target? Yeah, burn target. I think we're gonna die. I think that's just how it goes. Just do it. It's just, and he's dead instantly. And so is she. Katie's dead. No, she should be fine. Our queen was defeated. Dark forces took hold of the crown. A blast of wrath and perversion shook the land. Oh no, what are they doing out there? As the crown's power was corrupted, our queen disappeared. And the cosmic time started to tick. Tick. Someday, our land will be destroyed. But far from the crown, the queen remained. Oh, she got washed up a river? What the heck happened? And in a moment of absolute need, she saw a town where peace still existed. Alrighty, now we're in town. Let's go. Recruit folks. Recruit for free. Colin. His name is Colin. Melee training, sure. Select a folk. Colin. Is he... Oh, he becomes a warrior. He's just a farmer. Yeah, sure. Spend the gold. No problem. Ends tomorrow. Okay, cool. So we have upgrades, and they take time. Interesting. That's a little bit different. Town's End. Select folks. KT. Drag the folks onto the arena. Okay. Drag and drop. Okay. Explore. Are we just soloing this? What's going on here? Go to the town. Home of countless plants and strange creatures. Let's do it. Very easy. It says very easy. Fairy forest. Hopefully it is. What is this? It's a bear? Burn the bear. Sorry, bear. You gotta get burnt. Go get burnt! Bear's burning. That's a lot of damage. Alright, so that's gonna tick for one more. It should kill it. Oh no, it'll bring it down to 1 HP, so we're just gonna fight it. Now, I think the power persists throughout, your amount of power persists throughout the whole fight, or through the whole, like, dungeon run. You won the battle. Current bounty, 8 roots. Fine. Yeah, I think it stays, but, let's see what else we can do. Orders. +1 attack for all allies for 10 turns. I don't know if that carries over. +1 attack. Mushroom unleashes poison gas. The heck? Why is it spelled gas? Is that supposed to be? No, that's a Z. I was gonna say, is that a weird looking S? No, it's a Z. Is the Z just a weird looking S though? That's. What if we burn it twice here? That shouldn't kill it, but the next attack will? Maybe? Yeah. So, 6, this should be easy. So I think that added 1, I think. Cool. You won the... So it looks like there's less RNG here, maybe? 16 roots, cool. You're about to face the boss, you will no longer be able to flee and continue? Yeah, sure. It's a big tree! Burn weak. Oh, okay. Well then burn them. I think that's the amount of turns. I wish there's not, so there's, unlike Darkest Dungeon, there's not I can't hover to see how much damage we're doing. Okay. It does say everything here though, which is nice. We do still have the attack. Oh, cool. Okay, so then give me one more attack. Then, well, because I think this is gonna go away soon. And then, if we keep burning, it'll... Oh, that actually just destroyed it. Perfect. Route 16, 1 rabbit's foot, 7 sap, and 2 potions. Cool. Alright, sweet. Well, I'll tell you right now, as long as we don't have to deal with a stress mechanic, this might be a much less stressful game. Colin became a warrior. Can we recruit more folks? Recruit for free, hired. And then maybe we can train him, melee training. Weapon upgrade. Build Magicarium. Build a temple. Build a camp. Build a slum. Alright, so let's send Chris into there. Ends tomorrow for maybe some more melee training. Can I see my folks? Yes. That'll be fine, I guess. Folk details. Oh, I can rename them. Who's this folk gonna be? Let's name him or her. I guess it's I don't know. It doesn't really matter, does it? Can this be Cat? Can this be Victa? No. Cine V? Yeah. Bam. Hurt 3 day. What? That's a thing? 3 days until, like, you're fully healed, or you can't be used for 3 days? Upgrade. 1,000 gold, 20 wood. Yeah, sure. Sure. Alright, so now what do we do? Available. You're available. Cool. Alright. Rabbit's foot, 2 defense. Oh, that's cool. Can I only... here we go. 2 defense, perfect. Boom. Trinkets, nice. Alright. Let's go to... Wait, items? Oh yeah, we could take a potion. Hit okay there. Select folks. We'll take Colin. Oh, we cannot use her. Wow, interesting. Okay. So I guess instead of stress, you want to keep them healthy. Which was always like this weird sort of... Oh, is this what you have to do to hopefully not get negative traits at the end of a dungeon in Darkest Dungeon? Goblin Valley, Carrot Farm. No, let's go Goblin Valley. An old bastion now occupied by goblins. With Jess Colin, is there something else I can do? Oh, I can sleep. I wonder what it means. Chris became a warrior. Barrack upgraded to level 2. The shop is now at town's end. Okay. Oh. Artifact. So we got a spike bracelet plus 10 attack, minus 28 max HP, plus 2 poison defense for a leech. Big potion heals. All pretty good stuff. Okay, so then empty team. Let's do this. Let's bring Colin and Chris. Cause why not? Hit OK. And then, what else do we need to do? Shield training? Oh. We're full on... Oh, no, we're not full on, folks. Can I recruit? Jeff. Jeff, otherwise known as... One peg. We'll send him to shield training. 100 gold. I don't have 100 gold though, so that's not gonna happen. We'll take a potion. Yeah, explore, and then now we can go up to Goblin Valley. Okay, good to know. Good to know. We've got 2 stages than the boss. It's an ogre for 30. What? 30 HP. Wonder what this rat's gonna do. Warcry plus 5 attack to all allies for 2 turns. Might as well give us a Warcry, even though we don't want to spend too much power, but that's gonna be hopefully good. How do I switch? How do I switch who I'm gonna attack? Can you do that? Huh. I guess not. 10. Ah, that's 3 turns. That's not bad. Yeah, we just keep attacking. 20 HP each, though. With no heals. 5? Oh, because we lost the bonus. Okay, that guy's dead. How much? Do you have 6? You have 5 HP. Alright, just kill it then. Yeah, we might have to potion in this next one. Weird shroom. Okay. Alright, cool. You always pick up weird shrooms, kids. That's just what you do. Another ogre. And a goblin? Hold on. The first and second enemy. That's pretty good. Give me... you know what? I think we just do this. Dang, that's not a lot of HP. What the heck? So then we Warcry. We've got a lot of power to give, I think. All right, now we do one of these. Yeah, that was good. Ouch. 10. Yep, kill it. And then you should be killable too. It's 5. Hopefully we get a go. No, we don't. Probably didn't need to take that damage, but that's all right. Is it gonna cost me a turn? Francois. I don't know if it's gonna take me a turn to use a potion. It looks like it's going to. You're about to face the boss who no longer... Yes. What the heck? Let's do one of these. Then we'll do one of these. Big boy damage. Alright, we do it again. Easy. He actually should be dead. We don't need to use the potion, although he's gonna be pretty hurt. That means they're gonna need some time to recover. So it's gonna be, we're gonna have to, ooh, a rosary and a backpack? We're gonna have to spend some time definitely figuring out, oh yeah, that's right. We do have a time limit. Oh, nothing happened in town. All right, good. That is interesting. That means sleeping is definitely gonna be tough. Upgrade in, hold on. Forge. I don't know. Hold on. Upgrade, weapon upgrade for... Colin? Knife to a dagger? Yeah. Wait, their names didn't change here. What the heck? These guys are gonna be in trouble. Hurt 4 days. Colin is at weapons available. Alright, hurt 1 more day. Alright, you're gonna have to go to shield trading though. So Jeff goes there. Yeah, how come the name didn't change? Interesting. They all got changed back? So what, Colin was cat. Oh, maybe I didn't do it that way. Chris was Cine V. Oh, now it doesn't have the proper amount of letters? Okay, just Sin then. I'm so confused. And this is gonna be 1 peg. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to use these heals. Alright, so... in level 2 gives us another spot there. Forge 2 weapons at a time. That's also nice. Maybe we do... training. What's this? Build Magicarium. Yeah, this seems good. We got 4 gems, 500 gold. Yeah, let's do that. Cool. That's fine. Alright. Townsend. I think we're gonna have to sleep. Because nobody's ready to go. Alright. Can't recruit anybody. Alright, so are they people now? Yes. Alright. I mean, they have names is what I meant. Alright, Townsend, sleep. 1 peg became a guard. Cat upgraded his knife, her knife, to a dagger. Knife to dagger, that's pretty good. In level 2, we do need to get that going. We probably will do this, although we don't have the gold. Fantastic. Alright, well, then at this point, we can bring KT and 1 peg guarding her. Easy peasy. He would do that. He would absolutely do that. Okay. So, let's look at this real quick. Wait, how do I outfit them? No artifact. Oh, yeah, okay. Max HP, gold during combat. Okay. 1 peg, gold during combat. Well, actually, you know what? We don't want this. We do this. Yeah. Give more HP. Yeah. All right, we go explore. Now what? Now what do we have? We've got a hot oasis, arid and suffocating. Biggest farm on the island, the carrot farm. Okay. Yeah, I guess we do that. It says medium though. I wonder how bad this is gonna be. I feel like we need to wait another day. And have a full team. The shop is at the town's end. Yes. Alright, so we don't have that. Let's bring KT, Cat, 1 peg. Rabbit's Foot, perfect. Magicarium is out. We can't upgrade just yet. We have 1 potion. That should be fine, right? What's in the shop? Antidote removes all status effects. That's pretty good. Tomahawk deals 50 damage. Okay. Burn attack. Burn attack is pretty good too. +5 burn attack for 200 gold. Might be worth it. Because if we do one of these, And we go like that. That might be solid. I think so. All right, here we go. Boom. Shoulder bump deals 20 damage but hurts this folk for 5. Protect +2 defense to all allies except for this folk for 2 turns. All right, these guys are Hornets, 10, 10, and 30. Why can't... So, you just can't select? Is there like a controls window? It doesn't look like it. Alright. Move the target to the front. No, how about we just... Actually, hold on. How about we do this? Because apparently, it seems like that matters. -2 attack, that's okay. Yeah, just hit it. Immune to poison, immune to... Oh! Okay. Oh, burn weak, though. That's fine. We're definitely gonna burn him. When it stings, -10 and poison? Oh, certain things have range. I understand. So how much... What's the damage gonna do here? This poison is just garbage. Nice. Peg is poisoned. Scare? Something like that. Alright, so he's gonna die. I guess he's gonna die right now. Yeah, he's just gonna die right now. Scarecrow is dead. Was the Scarecrow ever really alive? This poison is trash. We're just gonna try to delete them. Send it. -3, poisoned. I don't like that -2 attack, man. Alright, so... Charge 12 damage to first and second enemy. That would destroy them. I'm not... All this poison, we might as well just do it. Could have done that a while ago, but that's okay. Alright, this is our damage maker, so that's a thing. Ooh, these guys are big and hefty. Do we want to move one to the front? I don't think so. Just shield bash here. Someone's a chicken. We gotta be careful. I think we gotta burn the pig here. We gotta set dots on these ones that we can actually hit with our 2 melees. Alright, what do we have? That's gonna be 5. That should do it. Pig's on fire. It's poison, man. This poison's rough. I don't want to have to back out of this either. But it looks like it's always a possibility. What does that bring us to? That's 11? Alright, just do the final attack, and then the burn should destroy it. What do we want first? You know what, we can do this. We grapple you. That way we can actually attack you, and then we can probably set the rat on fire. So 10. Do we just do this? I don't want to waste power. But we may be able to utilize maybe a little bit of time here. With a healer too. Who do we give it to? Probably you. So yeah, just shield bash. Hopefully, who's up next? How do we? Is there? I wonder if there's a way to. He's dead anyway. I wonder if there's a way to check speed. I guess they do have stats, don't they? I don't see any. Let's. Oh, we got a rooster and a frog. Do we bring the rooster up front? That way that we don't get chickens? We're gonna get chickens in either way, I guarantee it. You know what? Just do one of these. Maybe not. Hold on. Poisoned. Oh, you did go back. That's lame. Okay. Heal cat up a little bit. Shield bash here. Sticky tongue. Oh, you're moving us too. Oh, he's got 1 HP. I noticed there's no move. There's no way to move them. Interesting. Not that you really do that too much in games like this, because you don't want to waste turns, but at the same time, I feel like it's still something you want to know. Ah, there goes the chick. That's okay. Minus 2 HP. Yeah, we'll deal with that. 10. We should be able to kill this. Yeah. Alright, now will you reset? Fabric, that's nice. You won't reset? That's weird. Okay. It's a bull. Like a big bull. Alright, now. Deals 20 damage, but hurts this folk for 5. Now, let's go protect. Ooh, bleed and a burn? Oh, just bleed. Okay. Give me a smite. And then we can probably throw some buffs out. I think, well... yeah, I think we just use this. Oh, don't draw the blood. Come on, man. Like the target right here. Boom. Oh, that's big. That's huge. That's real huge. Give me one of these. Plus 1 attack. Oh, that's gonna be real big. Yeah. This thing is gonna die. This thing's absolutely gonna die. Yeah, we'll take the 5 damage. That's fine. Cool. Not bad. Not bad at all. Good shoes, berries, flowers, fabric. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. King, nothing happens. Cool. So we should be able to upgrade that now. The Magicarium is up. Can we send somebody here? Oh, we can. We will later, probably, once we get that upgraded. We want a temple. Unlock faith training. Unlock hunting training. Ooh, hunting train would be really good, actually. So what do we need to... we need 6 max population. All right. Let's get a temple up as well. Can I build a camp too? I can do it all. I can actually get it all. This is probably a big waste of money because we don't need to do it all at once, but that gets everything going. Now the question is, yeah, we've got people hurt. All right. Empty team. We don't have anybody. Give me 1 potion. And then we just sleep. Inn upgraded to level 2. Temple upgraded to level 1. Camp upgraded to level 1. Slum upgraded to level 1. Okay. Okay. What's this? What's Calm Night? Heals your... oh, interesting. Oh, very interesting. That cuts it off by a day. Okay, so now we can recruit. Recruit Isaac. Oh, there's a ranger there. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, so let's go to Town's End. Give me Sin and Cat. The question is, what do we give to Sin here? We've got cost -5 power. That's pretty good. Plus 5% gold during combat. That's also very good. What is Cat wearing? It's 2 defense. Okay. So you take that. You take that. Let's go explore. It seems like it's gonna be a little tricky. Can we I guess this means we could go to something easy and try to get some gold out of this? Huh, is this the play? Especially if we don't take damage. Not a whole lot of damage, I should say. Yeah, we're so little gold. Alright, this is 15. Just kill it. Bear is dead. Weird shroom. Don't know what we're doing with the weird shroom. This is it. So we do this. Sticky goo. Gross. Yeah, alright. Not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. Alright, so now we have 3 people available. Let's see if we can recruit somebody. A jester? Recruit for free? What? Baba. Baba is you. Baba is you. Okay. No weapon. He's got a song. He's got a knife throw. He's got fire breath. And dissonance? Whoa, really? That's actually pretty interesting. Deals 10 damage and burn to the first 3 enemies. Ignore attack and defense. Okay. Okay. I don't know who this is gonna be yet. Hold on. Baba. Let's see. So, let's do one more run and then we'll call this episode. This has been pretty cool though, I must say. Let's take this off of Cat. Let's give Baba the good shoes. And then we're not spending any gold, I don't think. Hunting practice is pretty good. Night shift. What's the night shift? Learn how to be a sneaky miscreant. Oh. Oh. +2 bleed defense. Nah. Alright, so let's go KT. Baba. 1 peg. Cool. Now we explore maybe something a little bit bigger. Not too much though. Hot Oasis. Ancient Ruins. Old city destroyed long ago. Arid and suffocating. This is probably skeletons. This is probably, I don't know actually. I really don't know. Let's just do this maybe? Hopefully the burn actually does something. I don't know. I don't know what this is gonna be like. So we've got a Jinn and a Scorpion with a lot, yeah, immune to burn. That's what I thought. It's kind of what I thought. Just do this. The Scorpion's probably gonna have poison. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Alright, so, to attack, deals damage. Alright, so, immune to burn, that sucks. That's 15 damage to both, though. That's not bad. Yeah, this Bard Jester thing is pretty sick. Let's burn you. And then keep attacking you, the Jinn? Because what are you down to? That's pretty low. Another 5, maybe? Triple burn? Do this. That's a nice heal. Yeah, this might be the best character by a long shot. That's another burn here. That's 15. give me one more burn, and then that should be the end of him. The guy in the back. It's a 7. We gotta send it. Send it, send it. The pig is burning. No, don't burn! Oh, God. These burns, man. Oh, I guess that works too. Whatever. Cool. Also nice. Let's see. Give me... Yep, just do it. We can keep it pretty basic. There's no need to get fancy. No need to get fancy. I don't like that though. Send it. It's good damage. It's good damage. 7, 11, 18. We can burn the guy in the back. And then our jester can hit them both. What you got? Can we get it? Can we get a heal off here? We could, or we can just kill him. 18. I don't think we're gonna get a turn off. Oh, we are gonna get a turn off. All right, let's heal you up a little bit. Really don't like that. Yeah, we spent too much time burning. We didn't need to do that. We got a skeleton immune to bleed. It's fine. We're not bleeding anybody. And a snake. Not a snake. Not a snake in the grass. I think we heal. Oh, we heal everybody. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. I don't know what we go after here. I think it's the same amount of damage. Let's just work on the guy in the back. Just send it. 22 is not gonna do what we want it to. Yeah, we're gonna have to spend some power bleeding. I mean, it's healing. I think. That's rough, dude. Ooh. Poison, man. Alright. Heal up one peg a little bit. I'm gonna have to heal him up again, I think. Do we potion here? He's still got 65 health. That's quite a bit. If I pulled him... I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth testing it out. Because he's melee, right? So does that mean that he couldn't even attack? Oh, I guess he would still be able to attack. Because I think melee guys in the back can still attack. So that's 9. He's 17. Yeah, just finish it. Even though we're low on health, I think we just finish it. Let's face the boss. Yep. Here we go. We might have to potion. It's a burb. What are you gonna do? We protect. Oh, ouch. We send one of these. I don't like that at all. We gotta do something. Takes off. What do you mean? Are you immune to bleed? Or burn, rather? Oh, okay. Well, that didn't hurt. That didn't affect it too bad. 30, 50. I think you gotta heal here again. You might have to take a... We might have to potion here. It's brutal, man. Fire breath again? I think so. See who they're attacking. Yeah, I'm curious as to what that flying actually did. You got 54 HP. You're good for a while. You might have to sit out, but you're good for a while. Alright, keep hitting. Ooh, that's a nasty bite. Keep burning. Ouch. Heal. Ouch. Oh, we're out of power. Oh, he gains armor, he gains defense, I see. Yeah, we gotta keep burning. This burn is the only thing saving us right now. It also ignores the defense there. There's gotta be items that gives us more power in the future. I don't know. Keep doing it. Okay, the roar's fine. We can deal with the roar. We can do that all day long. No, we're gonna defend, because we're not doing that much damage anyway. I don't know, man. I don't like this at all. 22? That brings us to 12 plus the burn. Yeah. We've got this win. One peg's gonna be hurting quite a bit though. 5, just kill it. Sweet. Ooh, okay, 2620. That's a lot of money. Got a tomahawk spike bracelet, rabbit's foot, coal flint fabric. That is good stuff. It seems to be like it's gonna get real hard to get to the end. It kind of feels like we have some time to sort of plan things out. I don't need to be doing new stuff all the time. So it looks like we're gonna have to maybe train up a little bit, get our folks ready, upgrade them, all kinds of stuff. But with that being said, I think this game kind of rocks. I'm gonna be honest. Tinyfolks out now on Steam. Not sponsored, but go pick it up and check it out for yourself. It's $4. It's really cool. I'll leave the link in the description. However, you guys know the title, so you probably will find it anyway. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. That was great. I think we're gonna continue this more. We'll do more episodes, especially if y'all like it. So make sure you let me know by leaving a like in the video. And if you don't like it, leave it a dislike. It really, truly lets me know. I know that we're not doing a whole lot of Tarkov right now because it's in the middle of, seasons and wipes and stuff like that. I'm just not feeling it. But I got more videos coming out there. And then, so we're just kind of checking stuff out in the meantime. And this seems like a really good time to pass that. So thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye, everybody. See ya.